is pioneering a new approach to farming with their innovative permaculture prototype. In this video, we will explore the key features and benefits of this prototype, highlighting its potential to revolutionize sustainable agriculture. The Plant Farm Permaculture prototype is a cutting-edge farming system designed to mimic the diversity, resilience, and sustainability of natural ecosystems. Located on a sprawling plot of land in the heart of the countryside, Plant Farm is a beacon of hope for a more sustainable future. At the core of the permaculture prototype is the principle of working with nature, rather than against it. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the farm utilizes natural processes to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. This includes companion planting, crop rotation, and the use of natural predators to control pests. One of the key features of the permaculture prototype is its emphasis on biodiversity. By planting a wide variety of crops, the farm is able to create a balanced ecosystem that is more resilient to pests and diseases. This not only reduces the need for harmful chemicals, but also helps to support a wide range of wildlife. Another important aspect of the permaculture prototype is its focus on soil health. By using techniques such as mulching and composting, the farm is able to improve the fertility of the soil naturally. This not only increases crop yields, but also helps to sequester carbon from the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. Water conservation is also a key priority for the permaculture prototype. By using techniques such as rainwater harvesting and swales, the farm is able to minimize its water usage while maximizing the efficiency of irrigation. This not only reduces the farm's impact on the local water supply, but also helps to prevent soil erosion. The permaculture prototype is not just about sustainable farming practices. It's also about creating a sustainable lifestyle. The farm is home to a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for sustainability. Through workshops, seminars, and hands-on experience, the farm is helping to educate the next generation of farmers about the benefits of permaculture. One of the most exciting aspects of the permaculture prototype is its potential to be scaled up. By demonstrating the viability of sustainable farming practices on a large scale, Plant Farm is inspiring other farmers to follow suit. This could have a significant impact on the future of agriculture, helping to create a more sustainable and resilient food system for generations to come. In conclusion, the Plant Farm Permaculture prototype is a shining example of what is possible when we work with nature, rather than against it. By embracing diversity, promoting soil health, conserving water, and fostering a sense of community, the farm is leading the way towards a more sustainable future. As other farmers begin to adopt these practices,